Good afternoon, everyone. I'm heading off today for a bit of a catch up with some girlfriends. So I'm going to take along a healthy trail mix and I'm going to show you how I quickly make it before I head off. So I've used about 4 leaves of kale here and I've just torn them up. So I'm just going to show you with the last one how I did it. Again, really simple, no cutting required. Obviously you can cut it if you want to. So I've ripped the kale up into sort of bite-sized pieces. I've got a half a cup of organic sultanas. Now I always use organic sultanas because they don't contain sulfites and they're much healthier for you and your family. So I'm going to sprinkle the sultanas over the top of the kale. Now I've also got some unsalted organic cashews, so I'm going to add them, and I've got 1 cup of those. You could use another type of nut if you wanted to, but I just so happen to have cashews in the pantry today. And I've also got here some linseeds and black sesame. You could use sunflower seeds, you can use any kind of seed you've got in your pantry, and then again just sprinkle that over your kale. Now I've got the oven set here to about 180 degrees, so once I've got this ready I'm going to pop it straight in. I've got some cold pressed organic olive oil, so I'm just going to pour that generous amount over the top of everything that I've just put in here, and some Himalayan rock salt. And of course, to finish it off, I'm going to add some curry powder. So today I'm using our organic Shahi Korma curry powder. Depending on how spicy you want it or mild you want it, you can use any type of curry powder. And I'm going to use, so I don't know sort of how much everyone likes curry today, but I will just put in a tablespoon. So that won't make it hot, but it will just give it a beautiful amount of flavour. You'll really taste the cumin and the turmeric and the coriander without the hot heat. So I've just used 1 tablespoon of that. Now I'm going to mix this all up with my hands. You can see it looks pretty damn delicious already. The other day I made this, and afterwards the sultanas roasted in the olive oil and the curry powder just came out so delicious. They were chewy, a little bit crunchy, and the flavours really work. So I thought, well, I will share it with all of you today. So that's it. I've just mixed it all together, made sure the kale's got a good coating, and then whoop, pop it in the oven. And that, my friends, will be ready in approximately 15 minutes. It will be crispy, it will be crunchy, it will be delicious. So I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to share my videos if you like them, and post any comments if you've got any questions. Have a good afternoon. Bye.